The table shows the marital status of the U.S. population in 2015. The numbers are expressed in millions. If one person is randomly selected from the group, find the probability that the person is A, married or female. First, you may want to ask yourself, are these events mutually exclusive or not? In this example, it is possible to be both married and female at the same time. So we would say that these are not mutually exclusive. So we have the probability of married plus the probability of female minus the probability that they are married and female. Probability of being married, we can see in this column that there are 133 married out of a total of 254 people, or means add. The probability of female, we can see the female total is 131 out of 254 total. But then we need to subtract the probability that they are both married and female. The married females are 67 out of 254. In the calculator, we have 133 divided by 254 plus 131 divided by 254 minus 67 divided by 254. And we'll round this to the nearest hundredth. So this is roughly 0.78. Part B, what's the probability of selecting a person who is divorced or widowed? First, ask yourself, are they mutually exclusive or not? In this case, notice that divorced and widowed are in separate columns, so it's not possible for those to occur at the same time, meaning that these are mutually exclusive events. So we have the probability of divorced plus the probability of widowed. Probability of divorced, there are 26 divorced out of 254 total people, plus widowed, there are 14 of those out of 254. 26 divided by 254 plus 14 divided by 254. And again, we'll round to the nearest hundredth, leaving us with 0.16 approximately. Probability of divorced or male. Those two events can occur at the same time, meaning they are not mutually exclusive. We have the probability of divorced plus the probability of male minus the probability that they are divorced and male. Divorced, there's a total of 26 out of 254, plus male, there are 123 total males out of 254, minus the probability that they are divorced and male. That's 11 out of 254. 26 divided by 254 plus 123 divided by 254 minus 11 divided by 254. And we get roughly 0.54. Finally, we're asking married or divorced. In this case, since the columns are separate, we can see that these are mutually exclusive events. They cannot be married and divorced at the same time. So we have the probability of married plus the probability of divorced. probability of married is 133 out of 254. Plus the probability of divorced, there are 26 out of 254. And this gives us roughly 0.63.